Welcome to Alfa International, home of the Easyclicksystem system. The Easyclicksystem system is a new way to connect a battery and without the need of any wrenches. Here is a small display how the Easyclicksystem system works. This is your not regular battery connector. You place them over the post. Make sure you connect it to the right color code terminal. Minus for negative, plus for positive. Just slide them over the post, and by just flipping it, the Easyclicksystem connector will clamp your battery tight and secure. To unclamp them, just flip your Easyclicksystem connector and your battery will be disconnected. In the event the jumping cable will be needed, it's very easy. Just pull the tab, remove the covers, get your black power booster cable, place them as so, and now you're ready to jump your car. To pull your boot covers, just lift the Easyclicksystem connector, see the tab, slide them over, you hear the click sound, press down, and your battery is still connected. Again, very easy, no wrench needed. Slide them back in, snap it, place them over the battery post, connect it. It clamps so tight that you can lift your battery up.